I should've called you up and said that I was wrong and that I won't make it without you by my side.